And Netflix has released a new trailer for Prince Harry's Invictus Games documentary.
It is here at the Invictus Games that you realise, whatever you carry, it was the springboard that propelled you to the next level.
Nine US correspondent Alison Petrowski joins us now from Hollywood. Ali, good morning to you. It comes a month ahead of the Games launch next month.
Yeah, that's right. Good morning to you guys. This new doco is called The Heart of Invictus, and it follows that Olympic-style tournament for injured men and women who served in the armed forces. This, of course, is one of the big causes that Harry has been a champion of for many years. And this is a 5-part documentary series following a number of competitors from around the world, the struggles that they face due to these life-changing injuries and the struggles that they face in the lead-up to the 2020 Invictus Games in The Hague in the Netherlands, which actually ended up being pushed back a couple of years because of COVID. Let's see more from that trailer.
If your goal was to make your country proud, you've done it.
How are we doing?
Everyone's going to struggle at some point.
I got demons saying, you're not going to do this.
If your goal was to make your family happy, you've achieved it.
My dad just scored there.
Clearly someone sees something in me.
You are people of substance, of resilience, of strength.
This doco is part of the Sussex's $150 million estimated deal with Netflix, and it will premiere just before this year's Invictus Games, which starts on September 9, guys.
All right, when's that coming out again, Ali?
It is coming out in the last week of August, Carl. I know you'll be tuned in for that.
Next month.
So in a month?
Yeah, it's
a month
next
from now,
month,
which
yeah.
is next month.
Thank you, Ali.